Hey guys, I'm Kelly Rose Sarno, and in collaboration with goPure, I'm going to introduce you to my top 3 favorite products. Oh my god, I can't even put into words what a collaboration like this means. It's so insane to me for goPure to put their trust in me and for me to do a collaboration with a company that I've been with from the beginning of my influencer kind of life. It means the world to me. It's really good, high quality, high performing products, and it's at a budget that everybody can afford. This was such a labor of love between goPure and myself, and the fine details are my favorite part about this collab. This is my actual signature, so I got to give them my initials, my infamous KRS that you've seen for 10 years. And I love the color. It's my signature blue color. This will take you to all of our social accounts, so you can follow me on all the socials as well as goPure. If you've ever followed me on social media, you know that my motto is to be unapologetically confident. So what's better than having goPure's motto with mine as well? It is literally screaming Kelly Rose Sarno. This is what made me fall in love with goPure to begin with. The Intensive Spot Corrector has been just a game changer for me. So I started to use this because I was like, okay, spot corrector, it's gonna fix my spots. And within 2 months, I really noticed how much they actually lightened, and I was kind of blown away by it. Like, you have to try the Intensive Spot Corrector. It's my #1 go-to. This has become something that I just naturally cannot live without. It is so like hydrating and it absorbs so easily. I'm 40 years old. Like, this is where we're gonna show our signs of aging so quickly. And this was an eye cream that absorbed so well and dried down to perfection to where I can still apply my makeup over it without having to wait too long. So I love how easy this applies, how fast it absorbs, and within minutes I can just apply my makeup over it and have 0 creasing. Dramatically Dewy is something new and exciting to goPure. So this, I have literally fallen in love with. I talk about hyaluronic acid all the time. Hyaluronic acid is what keeps that plumpness in our skin. This will not pill underneath your makeup. It's why it's my favorite hyaluronic acid. You're gonna open it up, use your dropper, and you only need about 4 drops for your entire face. All right, you guys, you can grab this amazing collab at gopurebeauty.com. And don't forget, this little QR code right here will take you to all of our socials. You have to tag us and tell us how much you love it.